In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on security and privacy. Then scroll again to hit biometrics. Tap on face recognition and enter your current screen lock. Following that, tap continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!